Research has found that certain natural ingredients can help with snoring and with sleep apnea. And if it weren't for the research, who would have suspected that? Some of these really are not very familiar. The one that's most familiar is chamomile, and many of you have had a cup of chamomile tea. Another one is thyme. Thyme is a spice. You've heard of that, or perhaps you want to call it an herb, but that actually is part of the research program. And then there's three that are less commonly known: lobelia, meadowsweet, and cramp bark. And together, these agents do help support good sleep and reduction in snoring and sleep apnea.